Hello everyone, today we're going to make a Christmas tree topper using the greens, red, and white. We're going to use a printed ribbon and a solid ribbon. Going to dovetail our ribbon, pinch it together, make sure your sides are even. Twist it in the back. This is going to be probably for about, you can put it on a 7-foot tree or a 9-foot tree. You would want to make it smaller if it was like a 6-foot tree. All right, we're just going to do 3. I'm going to come in with your solid. Sometimes I don't want to twist just like you need it. You can always go back and fix it though. I'm going to make the one on the bottom the same just because the bow's getting so big. Let's pull it back down. We're going to do 3. All right. Most people go ahead and put ribbon on the tree just by doing just the regular ribbon, but we're just going to attach a few little streamers just for the bow to have something to hang on the bottom of it. So probably about 12 inches long. You can make them as short as long as you want to. Gonna go ahead and wire it. Always twist. Make sure you get it really, really tight, because if you don't get it tight, your bow's gonna get real loose and want to come apart. I chose this ribbon because it's not real what's the word? It doesn't have like characters on it or anything. It's just got like a basic print on it. That way it will go with anybody's tree. All right, we are going to dovetail. Your streamers, tails does not have to be the same length. Just make them however they come out. You can measure them and make sure they're all the same if you are that person that really likes everything just perfect. But basically they're about 12 inches long. Okay, this is going to attach to our tree topper. tree toppers are real easy. All you do, I basically get 3 of the same kind of everything. I picked something tall. Which I chose these 2 white ones. And then I picked another tall, and I'm gonna put it in the middle. And then I go and I picked some shorter ones. So I've got 3 of this glitter fern. And then I picked 3 of the fun things. If you're only doing one side of your tree, you probably won't need quite as much, but if you're wanting to go all the way around, this is the tree topper that you're going to use for that. So I'm going to move my ribbon out of the way. I'll take off the bag, plastics off. If you're doing this for resale, always make sure you save the tag so you know how much you pay for everything. Normally everything goes to the floor, but I am using a bag today. Go ahead and take these off. It does not hardly take any time at all. I just chose the basic green, red, and white because that's what a lot of people go with on their tree. And you can use this from year to year. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna take, hold on, just a second. All right, take your middle piece first. You're gonna go spread it apart. Bring the little pieces kind of around to the front and the sides, and leave your bigger pieces kind of in the middle. You can open all these up too. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing for these. These have got a little bit of felt, it's got some glitter. These are really pretty, really, really wispy. And that's what you want. You want your toppers to be real flowy. If I wasn't doing this for resale, you could just stick the stems in as you're decorating the tree, and you don't really have to combine them together. But we sell a lot of just the toppers that people want to just grab and go and then just put it in their tree. They don't have to do anything. So isn't this fun? It's just like all over the place. Kind of bend them up like that. Got those done. And then we're going to take what's kind of going closer to the bottom. Open them up. You don't want anything flat. You don't open it up, your tree topper is going to be flat. And then I'm just gonna kind of open these up. I may go back and then try to open them up as I put them on. Sometimes people don't know what to pick out for their tree topper. I always just say to get what you like, because you're the one that's going to have to be looking at it. Okay, so we're going to take this piece, the middle piece. We're going to put the white one on the side. Come in and put this one right here. And around to the front, kind of bend it down. This one to the side, put it down. I bring these green things down, the ferns, not kings. All right, and then I'm going to come in with the fun stuff. Around to the other side. I notice some of these have come up into the into there, and then you just bring a few down. There you have it. Now I'm going to zip tie it together. I'll do this one-handed. All right, get it as tight as you can because you have a lot of stems going on. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lay it down. These have got more balls on this side, so I'm going to come in and put my bow right here in the center. You can wire it on, or you can zip tie it on. And if you have a one-sided tree, one bow's fine, but if you have a two, if you're going to be able to sit all the way around, I would make another bow and put it on top. Okay. That took maybe 14 minutes to make this. And then you just stick it at the top of your tree. I would zip tie it. You can take your tree stems and you can like wrap it around, but to make sure that it's not going anywhere, I would zip tie it to one of the stems. And there you have it. Tree topper with red, white, and green. And we do have all the supplies on shirleysofcollins.com.